What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the BTR Garage. My name is Justin. In today's video, we're gonna be installing a set of Noble Gen 2 carbon fiber hood struts. You guys know I love these things. I installed the Grimspeed hood struts on my 2017 BRZ a few years back. Hood struts are a simple and great upgrade for your car. Don't have to worry about your hood blowing over from the wind at a car show or at the racetrack. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, they're labeled left side, right side with hood and fender on the brackets here. These little washers go on the bolts for these lower brackets. You're gonna want a wrench or a socket wrench of some sort with a 12mm socket on it. Let's jump over to the car and start getting these installed. So taking a look at our parts here, we've got the lower brackets. This is labeled R for right. You orient these as if you were sitting in the car. So right side is gonna be the passenger side. This is also the side you'll use the washer on. We're going to remove this bolt down here, and you want to be really careful not to drop anything back in this hole. And I've got a towel that I actually will stick back in there just to keep anything from falling back in there. And then your other part is the longer brackets. This one here goes up on the hood just like that. We'll take one of the bolts off, slip this in there temporarily, and then take the other bolt off and slide it on. So we'll start with the top bracket, 12mm nuts. And we'll stuff my towel in here just in case. You don't want to lose your towel either, so leave a little bit hanging out. You can stick this bracket up here and just put a couple turns of the threads. It just needs enough to be able to slide up over the top one. You'll need to kind of squeeze this together, the hood and the hood mounts, as you take these nuts off, because it is obviously loose. Slide this one up. Put our nuts back into place. Switch to our bottom bolts. You can loosen it with a larger wrench, but you'll need something smaller to get it all the way out. Grab the washer from the kit, put that over your bolt. We're gonna grab our bracket, slip the bolt through the hole, and then again, carefully position it back in place down here. Line up your bolt with the hole. With that snug down, we're gonna grab our Q-tip and some of our grease and just grease up the little ball joints. Grab your carbon fiber hood strut. The carbon piece goes upwards. I'm just gonna snap these ball joints onto the balls themselves. Just put them in place and give them a press. They'll snap right in. Remove your towel, and we are all done. The process is the same for the other side, so you can just switch over to the other side. Repeat exactly the same process, and then you will be all finished. Don't forget, if you like, you can remove the OEM hood prop by just twisting and finagling it out of its hole here. So there we go. That's gonna wrap this video up for the Noble Gen 2 carbon fiber hood struts on my Toyota GR86. Again, these are a simple mod to do, relatively inexpensive, and keeps your car safe if you're outside at a car show, at the racetrack, where you might have gusty winds where the hood could potentially blow over. If you have any thoughts, comments, or questions, please leave them down below. Like always, I would love to hear from you. I try to respond to all of the comments, so if you do have a question, please let me know and I'll be glad to help. Stay safe out there, everybody. I am checking out. We'll talk to you all next time.